cash. First bungeoppang in Japan. It's a premium custard. This weight is crazy. It's matcha. Or not matcha, it's hojicha. What? What? This is not my fault. This is not my fault.
Let's go get pizza.
Well, that was an epic fail. We came all the way over here to eat this tonkatsu place and it's closed for reasons we do not know. Also, my hair is so frizzy. My face is so oily because it's so humid here. Last time we came here with a reservation. I don't know if we'll be able to go in this time without a reservation though. Whoa!